Welcome to our instructional video on solving algebraic equations. In this video, we will be solving an equation for a variable. The equation we will be working with is x divided by 9 plus 1 equals 2. Follow along as we go step by step to find the value of x. Let's get started. To solve the equation, x divided by 9 plus 1 equals 2, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. The goal of this first step is to get rid of the 1 that is being added to x divided by 9. We start with the equation x divided by 9 plus 1 equals 2. Since adding 1 to something means increasing its value by 1, we can reverse this operation by subtracting 1 from both sides of the equation. This keeps the equation balanced because we are doing the same thing to both sides. So we subtract 1 from the left side of the equation, which gives us x divided by 9 plus 1 minus 1. And we do the same operation to the right side, subtracting 1 from 2, which gives us 2 minus 1. Now simplifying both sides, the left side becomes x divided by 9 because 1 minus 1 equals 0, and the right side becomes 1 because 2 minus 1 equals 1. Our new simplified equation is x divided by 9 equals 1. This means we have successfully altered the original equation into a simpler one, getting one step closer to solving for x. Next, our current equation is x divided by 9 equals 1. We need to get x by itself on one side of the equation. Since x is being divided by 9, we need to reverse this operation. The opposite of dividing by 9 is multiplying by 9. This will help us to isolate x. So we multiply the left side of the equation by 9, which gives us x divided by 9 times 9. At the same time, we also need to multiply the right side of the equation by 9 to keep it balanced, so we multiply 1 times 9. Simplifying both sides, the left side becomes just x because dividing by 9 and then multiplying by 9 cancels out the 9, leaving us with just x. The right side becomes 9 because 1 times 9 equals 9. So our final equation is x equals 9. This means we have successfully solved for x. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.